Wewe shughuli ni gani hapa Pirates?
Mimi nimekuja kujienjoy.
Wewe kufurahia tu? Hauna shughuli huko?
Merry Christmas and happy blessed New Year. Na tafadhali welcome Mombasa, Kenya. Hapa niko Pirates. Mombasa. Pirates Beach. Ile. Welcome one, welcome all. Inaji. Love, joy, peace and abundance, Rasta. Salute.
Hapo ama. When you want to see so many people at a place during Christmas, Pirates Beach is one of the places that you can come here and see a magnitude of people that you have never seen in Mombasa. This is how it is. Hey, crazy, man. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to another video. Merry Christmas. Today is a Christmas day. And once again I've come to one of the popular places in Mombasa where most of the people always come to celebrate their Christmas. I'm in Jomo Kenyatta International Beach. We call Jomo Kenyatta Public Beach, aka Pirates. This is the place that most of the residents in Mombasa always come to have fun and to celebrate their Christmas today. That's why I've decided to come here so that I can able to show you guys how this place looks like during the Christmas time. Yeah, I've come a little bit late. It is almost 5 p.m. in the evening, but even if it is 5 p.m. in the evening, people are still going inside the beach. Wow, you can see all of these people, guys. The place is crowded. It's crazy. You can see all these vehicles are going out, other people are coming in, and that's a crazy thing, eh? Let's just go in. All of these vehicles are moving out of the beach. Let me just go this side. Look at all these people, guys. Woo! Crazy. Look at this. On this side, people are selling food. Every kind of food. Mabuyu, crepes, samosa. On the other side, also food. Look at all this magnitude of people in this area of Jomo Kenyatta International Beach. The parking lot is full also. You can see all that parking lot full of cars. On this side, food have been sold. Too much people around. Hey, this is crazy, guys. Look at this parking lot. Full of people. Watu wengi mazee. Leo ni Christmas Day. Na watu wamekuja ku have fun hapa. Look at all these people, guys. Ice cream hapo. Wow! Hii ni crazy, man. Look at this. Nilikushow Christmas Day is the day that most of the people always come to this place. This is one of the popular places in Mombasa to come and celebrate Christmas. Most of the Mombasa residents always come to this place to just celebrate and have fun in this area of Jomo Kenyatta. Niambie. Uko aje? Kabisa. Wewe shughuli ni gani hapa Pirates?
Mimi nimekuja kujienjoy.
Wewe kufurahia tu? Hauna shughuli yote huko?
Merry Christmas and happy blessed New Year.
Au sio? Mungu ametufikisha mpaka hapa.
Ametufikisha saidi sia.
Acha tumshukuru. Au sio? Otherwise uko fresh?
Kabisa kamanda.
Sasa mimi naingia hivi mtaa hapa ndani kidogo niangalie vile mambo yanaenda. Fresh, man.
Safari
gotea watu.
Safari moja kichwa, safari Charles Maganga. Jana mambo sawa. Na tafadhali welcome Mombasa, Kenya.
Yes.
Sawa.
Representing
Mombasa, Kenya. Sawa. Coast province.
Uko wapi sasa hii?
Hapa niko Pirates. Mombasa. Pirates Beach.
Au sio? Hapa ndo watu wengi wanakuja kusherehekea Christmas.
Hapa ndo tunakuja.
Watu wamejaa huko. Sawa, man. Wacha niingie ndani ni check vile kunaenda. Ile.
Welcome one. Welcome all. Inaji. Love, joy, peace and abundance, Rasta. Salute.
Hapo, man. Yeah. That was one of the fun guys in this area of Pirates. Huku watu ni kibao. Au madafu hapo, kutaka madafu. Kutaka sunglasses. Yaje? Ukitaka floaters hapa. Unapata tu floaters hapa ipo bei rahisi. 200 shillings you can get a floater here. Yeah, I've come here a little bit late That's why you can see most of the other people going out of the beach. Hey, maze watu kibao, man. Thank you. Wow, look at that. Hey, hey. Look at all these people, guys. Where? I told you guys, if you just want, when you want to see so many people at a place during Christmas, I think Pirates Beach is one of the places that you can come here and see a magnitude of people that you have never seen in Mombasa. If you just know that Mombasa have so many people, this is how it is. Hey, crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'll see you. And you can see we have a camel over there. So if you want a camel riding, you can do camel riding also here in this area. If you want some boat riding, we have some boats over there. So this is a very nice place to just come here and enjoy yourself. Wow. Also we have chairs here to sit and have fun and just enjoy the breeze of this area of Pirates. So this is how Pirates looks like. Let's just move on the other side. Yeah, let's move on this side. Wow, look at that. What do you think? As I told you guys, this is one of the popular beaches here in Mombasa. It is not a joke, it is the popular beach here in Mombasa. So people have been chased out of the water by security because it is time for the children to go out of the water. Almost 6 p.m. so they are making sure that everyone is out of the water because of their safety. Yeah, I think I'm done with Pirates Beach. I've been told when it gets to 6 p.m. we have security guides that are telling people to get out of the beach. Yeah, brother. Right. They're telling people to get out of the beach. So I think it's time to go home. People have been thrown out of the beach to get back home. And I know right now everyone is heading home, and I know that the fare, getting a vehicle getting home is very difficult right now. So you can see all these people. Wow. This is how Mombasa people celebrate their Christmas on 25th December. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have liked the video. And if you have liked the video, kindly subscribe. Now I'm heading out. Kindly subscribe. Share this video to your fellow Kenyans, your friends, relatives, family. And I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye.